Let's take a new exercise in Autodesk Inventor. Now look, all dimensions are in millimeter, material alloy steel. Okay. Now this is front view, this is side view, and this is top view. So we are going to start from this side view. We will start to make this bottom profile. You will see 15, 70, 15, 20, and here the cutout depth 10 millimeter. And how long we need to extrude? See here 100 millimeter. Okay, we will make this one. Then the second one is I'm going to make this circular body. You will see 70 millimeter throughout, and the start face you will see from here. Means this face is parallel to this face. The length of this going to be 35, 32, 35. It's going to be 70, 80, 90, 92 millimeter. Okay. So, oh no, this is going to be 102 millimeter. Okay, that's fine. Let's do this. And we have two corner. There is a chamfer 15 by 15, 15 by 15. You will see chamfer is one this side and another back side of this face. So let's do this. Now I'm going to select here new and go to metric and choose standard millimeter.ipt. Even though if you go to English you can choose here standard IPT, but I want to choose here standard IPT in millimeter. Create. Now first I am going to choose any plane, keep isometric view so it's easy for us. Okay, look, this is going to be perfect. I am going to choose here XY plane, YZ plane. Click on the plane, activate line tool and start from origin point. Now see the green line is origin point 0 by 0. Now click and move. Right click, select OK. Activate smart dimension first. Okay, let's divide 15 millimeter. Okay, now this one going to be 70 millimeter. Okay, right click, OK. Now let me change, drag this one outside. Now activate dimension 15 millimeter. Okay, now let's make this is going to be 20 millimeter. Now let me select the internal one 10 millimeter. Now at right bottom you will see this is fully constrained. So simply finish sketch and here activate extrude feature. Now look, now the first option input geometry. Now here first we have to choose profile. So profile by default selected. You will see here. Now the second option is plane, sketch plane. So according to profile the plane also selected by default. Otherwise these arrows become red. Now next option behavior. Now you have to change direction. So I'm going to make backside. And the length, it's 100. See clearly, that's fine. Now you in output you can name this solid body. Whatever name you can give, we will keep as it is. Say OK. Now select this face, sketch, activate circle. Now click here and let's say 70 millimeter, enter. Right click, OK. Let's define. Now look, this circle is 60 millimeter from here And center distance, let's check. Supposed to be 50 millimeter. Okay, you can observe from here. See this hole, center line distance 50 millimeter. Now define distance from bottom edge 60. Now again define this distance from this side 50. Now look, this seems fully defined sketch. Finish, and here I am going to choose extrude. Profile already selected, this circular. Sketch also selected according to profile. Now direction, reverse. Now here first one 35 plus 32 plus 35. Add output boolean add. Okay, there is a rib. You will see 20 millimeter from this end to here. There is a rib 10 millimeter thick, then there is a 40 millimeter gap, one more 10 millimeter thick, and 20 millimeter from here. Fine, and you will see this is tangent to this circle. Now first let me choose here chamfer. Now here choose distance. Let me select here distance 15. Edge we have to select. So I am going to select this and this end. We will keep this one as it is. Either choose apply and cancel or simply directly choose OK and cancel. That's it. Now 20 millimeter I want to create a plane. So drop down offset from plane. Now select this face. Now here write -20. You will see there is a plane going to create. Okay. Now click on plane and you will see this icon create sketch. Now if you want to see a perfect shape or something, let me select circle. I am going to draw a circle with 70 millimeter. Right click. Okay, activate line tool. Now just I want to create a close profile. That's it. Now move cursor over and you will see a tangent mark. Just click on that. So this line is tangent to this face. Similarly, start from here, move cursor, tangent, right click. Okay, let's check what dimension it's necessary to mention. Okay, just here at bottom you will see slice graphics. That's it. There is no need to define anything, but let's again dimension. Okay. Dimension from here to here. This is also accept. Okay, look, this is fully constrained now. Okay, we have two close profile. So finish and activate extruded. Now see here, these all lines are red. So first we have to choose profile. Select this. Now plane also by default selected. Now arrow direction is perfect inside. Now here choose 10. See, and here keep boolean join because I want to add a material on this. Simply say OK. Now here I am going to activate linear rectangular pattern. Now first feature. Now feature I am going to select this one. Now here choose direction. Now which direction I want to move? Either X, Y, Z. which direction. So simply X direction. See, this is X direction. Now we need two number of counts, but distance should be 10 plus 40. It's 50 millimeter. But this is going in wrong direction. So I'm going to change from here, flip. See, even though space, this is spacing, even though you can choose distance also, say okay. Now see, now this one is created. Now there is a hole. You will see in dotted line, there is a hole. 50 diameter, depth 5 millimeter, then 30 diameter throughout depth. Okay. So, but before going to make this, let's create this one. Upper top radius 10, hole 10 dia and 45 millimeter from center, 20 millimeter. And this how long thickness? 5 plus 5 plus 5, 25. Okay. Let me select the suitable plane for this. Okay, let's create a plane. Create mid plane between two. Now select this face, press and hold shift key, and with the help of middle mouse rotate your component, select this. Now you will see a mid plane. Okay. Now select the plane, mid plane, sketch. Okay, let me activate line tool and find out midpoint. That's it. Go back to the point and just press and hold your mouse and see the line is converted into arc. Leave here and connect up to this. Okay. Smart dimension, let's define here circle 10, enter. Right click, okay, activate dimension. This is going to be radius 10 and distance from center. If you move cursor over here, this is going to be center, 50, 45. Look, it seems fully constrained. Simply finish sketch and select extruded boss base and just simply select this profile. Profile selected, sketch plane also selected, so it's already black, no need to define. Now here, the movement, I am going to keep direction mid. 5 millimeter in both sides. We need to add boolean. Okay. See, now you can hide this plane. Right click, uncheck visibility. Now for hole, even though let me select this second place, uncheck visibility, hole. Let's make first throughout hole. So position we have to select, but before going to choose position, type simple hole, seat none, and here direction, let's say through all, and the hole diameter, this is going to be, let's say 30. Okay. Now let's click somewhere here and press and hold shift key and select this corner. See, now this lies at center. Simply plus. Okay. Again, we have to make one more hole. So I am going to choose the same, but here I am going to select distance. Distance 5 millimeter, depth 50, and here drill point I am going to keep flat. Move cursor over on this and click. Press and hold shift key and select the outer edge, so the hole becomes concentric of this body. Say okay. Now just rotate and see. Now there is a one cutout 5 millimeter. Now look, this is a 5 millimeter cutout and this cutout up to 35 millimeter. Then there is one big cutout depth 28 millimeter, okay, and 32 is the width. So I'm going to start with this sketch. Now activate here 2-point rectangle. Let me draw up to this, right click, okay. Let me define few important dimensions. 5. Even though let's say define distance from here, this is going to be also 5. Now it should be 15 millimeter. Finish sketch, and let me select the previous one, edit feature, and make here 15 millimeter. Okay. Now sketch, right click, and here you can see edit sketch. Now that's fine. Now still it's not defined, because if you want to connect this one, just simply select this point and this one, make coincide. Now it's fully defined sketch. Here choose extrude. Now see, this is red, means you have to select the profile. So I'm going, just keep cursor over and select. Now here in output boolean choose cut. Okay, direction is moving inside, depth 35. Okay, say OK. Now select this inside surface, sketch. Now I am going to choose here slice graphics, circle, 70, enter, activate line tool, draw one line, right click, okay. Let's say smart dimension, hold shift key and select the top. Okay, now let's make this one 28. Okay. Now let's check what things. Press escape key to out. Now let me choose trim. Just trim this one, and this one. Now look, this is fully defined sketch. Finish and choose here extrude. Now let me select this profile, including circle. See, profile selected, plane selected, direction. Okay, before going to output, we need cut. You will see the preview, 35 millimeter, not 35, it's according to drawing 32 millimeter. Direction is perfect, say. Now there is a one rib at center. You will see here the rib thickness shows 70. No, there's a 10 millimeter thickness. Okay, fine. Then there is a two hole. See, there is a two hole. You will see 10 millimeter from the corners, 50 millimeter center, 8 dia throughout. Okay, so let's do this hole first. I am going to choose hole. Simply choose simple hole. Depth keep throughout or choose throughout. Now hole diameter. Just rotate your component, zoom. Now place somewhere here. Now select the edge. You will see this edge shows 10. Then select this edge. Now this 50. Okay. Now let me rotate component. Again I am doing the same thing. Simple hole, no sitting, depth throughout 8 diameter. Just move cursor and place somewhere here. Similarly, choose edge. Select this edge. Now distance between this 10. Now select this edge. Distance 50. Okay, that's it. Now let's select this work plane 2. Sketch, section view. Now let me create here plane, a line, because I want to create a, what do we call, rib. This one we don't need. Finish, and here choose rib. Now thickness 10 millimeter. Now activate, select the line. Now let's check what we can do. Now first we have to choose parallel to profile. You will see here direction upside I want, thickness 10 millimeter, and here I am going to choose symmetric both side and 2 next thickness. Okay, let's move only this. Say okay. That's it. Okay, material is alloy. Just drop down and choose here alloy steel. See, so here we did. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks and Autodesk Inventor. Thanks for watching.